Hi, this is Jessica, and I'm going to walk you through how to create a MetaMask wallet. First, we want to go to metamask.io. Triple check the domain name you type in to make sure you don't end up at a site pretending to be the one that you want. Then you click download, which will take you to another page that lets you select which browser you would like to install MetaMask for. It should automatically detect your browser. Then you click on the giant install button, and because I'm on Firefox, I'm taken to Firefox's extension page. From here, you click the Add to Firefox button, then click Add, click OK, and here you can see MetaMask has been added to your Firefox browser. And then click Create a Wallet. Come up with a super secure password that you will enter here, and then confirm that password by entering it into the confirm box below. Read this page carefully while you're going through the process of creating your own wallet so that you know what's going on, and feel free to watch the video, and then click Next. And now for the fun part that everybody warns you about. You are about to get the secret words that are associated with your wallet. Store your secret words in a safe place. Keep in mind that anyone who has access to your secret words will have access to everything inside of your wallet. This is just a demo wallet, so I'm going to go ahead and reveal the secret words and write them down because I will need them for the next step. Now you get to confirm that you actually wrote down your secret words by clicking on each word in the order in which it appeared on the previous page. And you did it! You now have a MetaMask wallet. Congratulations! Let's see what happens when you hop into your MetaMask wallet. When you close this pop-up, you'll see that you have nothing in your wallet. But that's okay. At least now you have a wallet to transfer crypto to, connect to apps with, buy NFTs, and do all sorts of other fun stuff that we'll cover in future videos.